Hey guys, I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe. I filmed this video that I'm going to be showing you today, like last month I think it was, either a month or two ago, I don't really remember. I'm going to be showing you how you can hem men's jeans into like women's girlfriend type jeans. I got these from Walmart in the men's section for $10. So like even if you mess it up, they were $10. Like it's basically the same thing as like thrifting, but like cheaper. I don't know. That's what today's video is how to hem them. This is my first time like using a sewing machine, so if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Trust me. So I'm not going to talk for too long for this intro because I don't really have anything else to say, but if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment down below what you want to see from me during this, you know what it is, social distancing. I can't say the word. I've heard that YouTube is not showing videos or recommending videos that you say the word in, so I'm not going to say that, but make sure you subscribe. And if you want to see how you can hem men's jeans into women's girlfriend jeans, then just keep on watching. Also, I know I haven't been really uploading on here too much just because like it's kind of hard to go out and do things and like get things that I need for videos to film right now because I can't. So yeah, but I've been uploading a lot on my TikTok. So if you want to go follow me there, I have like 3,000 something followers, and I'm trying to get to 4,000. So I would really be happy if you would go follow me there, and you can stay updated with my life there because I upload like daily to TikTok just because it's so easy and fast to film, you know? So yeah, go follow me there. So these are the pants that I got from Walmart. They're the brand George, and they were like $10.50 or something like that. They're men's, so obviously they're gonna fit a little weird, but I got a 32x30 for the size, and I'm obviously going to have to fix the waist, and also I'm going to be fixing the bottom because I look like a farmer. So I'm going to be taking it in from the back up this seam. I'm going to do it till about here because like the butt fits fine. So I'm going to start pinning like that, and then I'm going to pin as tight as I want these to be and as short as I want them to be. I'm probably not going to hem them from the bottom up because I would rather just like roll them. But yeah, we're gonna start pinning. Okay, so I just pinned up the side of the leg up until the knee because the thigh fits fine. So we're going to turn these inside out and start to sew them. And I also just marked the back because it was kind of hard to pin up here. So I just put eyeliner where I want it to go in. So I'm cutting off the bottom because it's hard to sew over, and also I'm gonna be rolling them, so it doesn't really matter. And they are a bit long anyways, so this will be fine. But if you wanted, you could fold them over again and just sew a new stitch like that, just as easily. I'm gonna go super slow and make sure that this stays like wicked flat so we don't sew any unwanted things because that would just be terrible. Now I'm just cutting the rest of the fabric against this new seam I just made, so there's no extra fabric inside of the pants. So this is how the one side of the jeans turned out. Now we're just gonna do that on the other side, but then we have to do the waist. Okay, so this is what the jeans end up looking like after I hemmed the legs and stuff. I took about like, I want to say like 2.5 inches off of like the calf area width-wise up to like the knee, but I didn't touch the thighs because they fit me pretty well. But now I have to fix the waist. This is how the jeans look after I am done. I just finished hemming the waist and stuff. I hemmed it from back here. I don't know if I like took a good enough of a video, but I didn't do it that greatly anyway. This is what they ended up looking like. They look super different from the start. I think they look really cute now. They're like sort of like a girlfriend type of jean, which is what I was going for. And I love cuffing my jeans at the bottom, so I'm just gonna do that instead of like hemming it. But if you like to hem yours, then obviously just fold it under and sew it. But this is how they looked. If you liked this tutorial and if it was helpful for you, because I definitely don't know what I'm doing when using a sewing machine. That was like my first time ever even like using one. So if I can do it, you can do it. But if you liked this type of video, please let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe, and make sure you're subscribed to see what I'm going to do with these jeans next. I'm going to spruce them up a bit more, so that'll probably be the next video after this one. So yeah, I'll see you guys in that one. Bye.
It's not for me to say you